YardCraft's located in New Holland, Pennsylvania, which is the heart of Amish country, and we service customers all across the United States. Our whole mantra about our company is to rediscover life outdoors and to get families back outside. That's really what I think YardCraft was founded on and what we're based on. Sam Stoltzfus, who's an industry leader in gazebo and pergola production, and Mike Lapp, who's an industry leader in shed production, the two of them came together and decided that they could make these kits that are easily assembled and easily marketed across the country online. And the big idea behind this kind of product is it lowers the cost for families when they can put these things together themselves and not have that extra added cost of hiring a contractor to come in and do it for them. All of our kits are assembled on pallets. They kind of look like large cubes. We have them delivered directly to customers' houses. Customers can pull those tarps off, and then all the puzzle pieces are kind of stacked right there to be unloaded by hand. Everything is American made. We have Amish craftsmen in our warehouse that are making all these parts by hand. If I have a question about a process or a customer has a question, they come to me, I can walk right out into the warehouse and ask these guys questions as they're building these pieces with their hands. What we do is we want customers to feel happy. And every single customer, the goal is to make them feel like our only customer, and I think we do that.